Hello, my name is General Swai Loping and I'm 24 years old. I resident at 96C Santan Street, San Roque Dos, Barangay Bagong Pag-asa, Quezon City. I hold a bachelor degree in public administration and previously worked at Umaka Incorporated for 6 months as an administrative assistant. My responsibilities encompasses data entry into datasheet or spreadsheet, rigorous quality control of equipment, ensuring the timely completion of projects, and meticulous maintenance of a comprehensive inventory of all stock and equipments. These duties were integral to my role. I valued my time in the company, but I decided to leave due to the limited opportunities for career advancement and the need to seek a higher paying employment to support my family financial needs. As the breadwinner, I chose to become an OFW to support them. My father is a security officer at a private company and my mother is a housewife. I have a younger siblings who requires my support to complete their studies. While I do not possess formal documentation to verify my experience in household works, but I can confidently state that I have practical knowledge and skills in this area. Once again, thank you for this opportunity to introduce myself. Bye!